For more than 40 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been a world leader in the food processing industry. We now have over 2,300 liquid-solid separation systems running in the food and beverage industry. We are now offering standalone dual-canister filter assemblies. We offer both 6-inch and 8-inch diameter housings, and depending upon your application, these systems will handle 50 to 400 gallons per minute. Lyco's innovative dual-canister system provides uninterrupted production. If one filter assembly fouls or plugs, it can easily be rerouted to the clean filter. Some key features and benefits include a T304 sanitary design. The unit is stand mounted with filter housings mounted horizontally for easy removal and changeout. This makes it more ergonomically friendly by not having to lift the filter cartridges vertically. The stand comes standard with a rack system for filter inserts, allowing for convenient access for spares and cleaning. Multiple types of filter assemblies are available, including perforated, mesh, and wedge wire depending upon your specific application. Our standard systems come with manual valves. Lyco also offers fully automated valves as an additional option. This feature can either be time-based or based on pressure drop. As a filter starts to plug, it will automatically try to purge itself clean. If it cannot recover after multiple purges, it will automatically change over to the clean filter. The light on the panel will alert the operator when a filter is fouled. Lyco's user-friendly Allen Bradley controls come standard with a 4-inch HMI mounted right on the filter stand. There's a lockout button for safety when changing filters. Another key feature is the system comes with a permanent tool that always stays on the filter assembly, which makes it easier to remove clamps and fittings. So if you have any questions about our canister filter assemblies or need more information, please call us at 920-623-4152 or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.